What's up, winners? I'm Marcus Rozier. We're sitting here on the balcony enjoying this beautiful view and decided to shoot a quick video to help you out. I realize you've been lied to and I wanted to come and tell you the truth. You've been told that you have to work more hours if you want to increase your income or hit your revenue goal, and that couldn't be further from the truth. I want to show you 3 ways that you can start using the MYM method, the Monetize Your Minutes method, to create your very own signature online program to consistently and predictably hit your revenue goal while cutting your work time in half. And I know that I've seen multiple people use the same process and be able to, more than half, some of which are working less than 4 hours a month, and their income has extremely accelerated. And I felt as if I should share at least 3 things within the MYM method and how you can use it to create your very own signature online program and consistently and predictably hit your revenue goal and cut your time in half. Well, the first thing that I'll share with you in the MYM method is I noticed that there are so many entrepreneurs that are always boggled down with new ideas and new concepts. How do you know what idea will actually produce income and what price point? You are always excited about it. So we created within the MYM method an idea to income process to shows you, have an idea, now what? And we walk you through a full process for you to project and predict where should you best spend your time. Will this idea produce the level of income? Now, if it's just something you want to put out there, it's fine, but you should, as a business owner, know, will this actually be monetized at the rate of time that you put into it? So within the MYM method, we show you how to go from a new idea to project the income of it to make sure that you can still continue to hit your revenue goal, but cut your time in half. Second thing that we're recognizing that entrepreneurs are doing is they don't have a way to process what is the activity that produces the most income for them, because you're so used to, when you're transitioning into full-time entrepreneurship, of working 8 hours and 10 hours and 12 hours. So the idea of, okay, let me just do more work does not always result in more money, and that's where frustration happens, because you feel like I'm putting in the work, I'm putting in the hours, but the hours don't equal the money, and it's no guaranteed paycheck in entrepreneurship. And even if you are a business professional and you're getting into this, you're just starting a business, this is where us walking you through the MYM method helps, because it shows you how to project your income generating activity, the things that you can do that produce for you the same result and the same level of income, where we build out a system for you, or either we show you how to build your own system that allows it to become an employee of you, that you are not exchanging time for money. You could do a job for that. The third thing is, every dollar is not a dollar. You know, that's one of the major concepts of the MYM method, because you might feel as if you're exchanging and getting $100 for this activity, $100 for this activity. But by the time you put all of the hours that you put into it, how much did you really make? How much did you really make, and how could you have maximized that same hour given the same result, which in turn will cut your work time in half and increase your income? So we show you how to actually look at your dollars. You can look at every dollar that you're producing in your business, or even while you're not producing it, and create a system around it that we show you how to monetize it immediately by how do you maximize your income potential with the same product. I'm not talking about 5, 10 products, but using one product, you can literally increase your income potential by creating what we call attachments. And we show you how to create at least lower tier attachments and high tier attachments, so you can downsell and upsell the exact same product, which in turn keeps you from having to produce multiple products, but it increases your income and cuts your time in half. So that's just 3 simple steps out of so many that are included in the MYM method. Would love to work with you. If you're interested in learning more about how you can use the MYM method to create your very own signature online program to consistently and predictably hit your revenue goal and cut your hours in half, book a session with me. We'd love to see if it's a good fit and if we can work together so you can have your very own program and be able to sit and relax a little bit, where you're not working all day, but you should be able to relax and enjoy the fruit of your labor. It's not saying you should stop working, but you should be able to spend more time thinking your business than working your business. Can't wait to hear from you and see if it's a good fit to help you in hitting your goals for this year. Let's win together, win today.